Today on Mike Attempts, we're replacing a kitchen sink sprayer. Our kitchen sink sprayer is leaking and needs to be replaced. The O-ring on the end of the white hose that allows the sprayer to swivel has failed. Unfortunately, my O-ring cannot be replaced without destroying the end of the hose. Water runs down the hose and drips in the cabinet below the sink. Turn off the water supply, lay a towel under the sink, and press the sprayer trigger to release pressure. Follow the sprayer hose and you'll see that it connects underneath the faucet. Mine has a blue retaining clip with a groove on each side. Grab the clip and pull out to unlock the hose. Twist back and forth slightly while pulling down to release the hose. It's normal for a little water to spill out. Pull the old sprayer up and out. Feed the new hose down the hole. If you feel any resistance while reinserting the hose, be sure the retaining clip is pulled straight out. Push the end of the hose all the way in and squeeze the clip until it snaps into the locked position. Turn the water supply back on, check for leaks, and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.